Open your computer settings app. From your settings app, select System. Here select Display and click on Advanced Display. And now click on Display Adapter Properties for Display 1. Here select Color Management. Click on Color Management. And here select Advanced. And click on Calibrate Display. And here we can see you can improve the color on your display by using display color calibration to make sure that colors appear accurately. To get started, move this window onto the display that you want to calibrate. So all you have to need, click on Next, Next, and here we can see gamma to low, gamma, good gamma, and gamma to high. So gamma defines the mathematical relationship between the red, green, and blue color values that are sent to the display and the amount of light that's ultimately emitted from it. So when adjusting gamma on the next page, try to get the image to look like the sample image labeled good gamma below. Click on Next. And now using this slider, you can go ahead and adjust your display calibrate just like so. Or you can click on Reset to reset it. Then click on Next. Click on Script Brightness and Contrast Adjustment. And here you can see Color Balance. Click on Next. And now go ahead and adjust your colors just like so. Using the slider, you will be able to adjust your display green color. Using the slider, we can adjust red color, and this is the blue adjustment color option. Then click on Next. And here you can compare the calibration with the previous one. Click previous calibration and current calibration to check. I'm clicking on Finish. And here make the text on your screen easier to read. Click on Next and click on Next, and it's time to adjust our display text. So click the text sample that looks the best to you. Click on Next. Click the text sample that looks the best to you. So select text from here. Click on Next, 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 and click on Finish. And that's it. You have successfully color calibrated your display.